Hey guys, what's up? In this video, I'm gonna show you how to hide apps in Infinix Hot 40 Pro. So for this, all you guys have to do, just go to settings and here search for X hide. After that, click on this option and then draw a pattern to secure the app. Then again click on next. After that, re-enter the password again. So click on OK and then click on escape. Now go to apps and then select the application from the plus sign and select all the application which you want to hide. I am selecting Facebook, Instagram and Messenger. After selecting, now click on confirm and that's it. So as you see, the application is now hide from here, and if you want to access the application, all you guys have to do, just go to X hide, draw the pattern which you set and again click on app so that you can access the application from here. So this is how you can hide application in Infinix Hot 40 Pro. So that's it about the video. If this video helped you guys, kindly like the video and follow us for more tips and tricks. See you guys in next video. Take care.